fun. That was a good laugh, that was. Karen, do you want to be, should we be either side? Karen, I slammed into that end wall so hard. Go on, Tam. Straight down, lad. Straight down. In the eddy. In the eddy. In the eddy. I'm sat in the main stream. In the eddy. In the eddy. In the eddy. In the eddy. I'll just plant myself across the stream. Alice, you need to go left at the bottom. That's it. Left in there, forwards. That's it. And don't hog it. It's good fun though. Kieran managed to slow himself down on the first bit. That's why I went with loads of speed. I didn't see him slow himself down. Right, Kieran, let me in. Stop being greedy. Oh! Come on, Kieran, I'll have a go. Kieran, do you want to go? Kieran, do you want to go? I'll pop it, am I right? I'll just go a bit further left. Kieran, you have a go? Go on, Kieran. You should run it quick before they come down. Oh, Kieran. That's only a front again, it was more fun. Kieran, let me in. Go backwards, come on, Kieran. Back pedal quick before they go. Right, you're going in, you're right. Back paddle, back paddle. Go back, come on, Kieran. You got to paddle hard into it. The wave will stop you. Back in. Don't go sideways. Oh no, it's nice. I'll give it a go. Kieran, T-rescue me if I screw it up. Right, Kieran, you get ready to T-rescue me. I'll have a go sideways. There's a lot of turbulence under there. Oh. No. Kieran, it's pretty fun. Kieran, come on. Kieran, go. Go, Kieran. Oh, go again then, Kieran. Quick, Kieran, go. Before you hold the others up. Kieran, just come alongside, a bit further, closer in, closer in. Right. Oh. Oh, he chickened out before he cut. Well, we're going forwards. Let's go! Woo! Can you bail it out, man? Kieran, I caught an edge, so I leant the other way more, and I went, whoa! Kieran, I didn't know whether I was being sucked back in.
Yeah, that's what I felt that.
No, when I capsized, when I was under, I didn't know whether... Kieran, I don't feel comfortable rolling in an actual situation. Yeah, I was never going to make the eddy where he was sat, so I thought I'd just go.